Yeah, TikTok, on the other hand, you can flip to the next tab. TikTok, the creators are saying, show me the money. That's what they said. That's a reference from Jerry Maguire. Do you know the film?
Yeah.
You saw it?
I think I did.
Show me the money, Jerry. Show me the money.
Yeah.
TikTokers not getting shown the money in 2022. And they say it's affecting their mental health. It was all about this creator fund, but they're getting real transparent about it. You have some creators here, for example, a creator, Yatsushiro, also known as It's Kiwi Cult, a gaming and anime personality on the app, expected 3 million views to be worth something. 3 million, well, it's not nothing. 3 million. Then he saw a paycheck $12.
It's unfortunate.
It's kind of... Go ahead.
I think it's just going to get worse because there's going to be more and more creators that's just going to saturate the creator fund.
Oh, that creator fund is saturated.
Already.
Depleted. Yeah. Fully saturated.
Yeah.
Creator fund has reached full saturation.
It's like a tube of like liquid.
Yeah, just 50 cents going out to everybody who's jumping on there. Yatsushiro, who's built an audience of over 586,000 followers on TikTok, took it a step further. Last year, he decided to pull out of the creator fund entirely. He took a full-time job at a large corporation. Now he only posts when he feels like it. He said that the payment is so low, he'd rather get nothing at all because it's like insulting, I guess. He'd rather just do it on his terms and not treat it as a business because obviously it's not. Now, you can make money, you build a following, and you see a lot of TikTokers transition to other more profitable social media, or they turn that following into sponsorships,
sure, brand deals,
merch, or like they try to find other ways to do it. Can't really be good for TikTok, though, that you have to migrate off of it in order to create a business. But certainly it's like a lot of other things where at the very, very high end of it, at the most successful users are going to be extremely wealthy, and then it's going to have a massive drop-off right below it. That's one area where I feel like, well, YouTube has truly done something special with the revenue split, not going the creator fund model, which the others have done, where it's extremely transparent and where advertisers can reach out to content that's very specific to the group that they're trying to reach from a demographic perspective. Google's very good at this. Others have turned to the likes of Instagram Reels and things like this because viral TikToks are making like regularly making like $20.
And Pinterest too, apparently.
Pinterest too, apparently. But even there, you're talking about maybe a couple thousand. And it can just be, I guess it can be stressful for people that have different expectations or, because it's all bizarre in social media where you would see things and that guy's flying in a private jet or this person is doing that. You can imagine being a young person just assuming, well, I got millions of views, so now I made it. Well, and then you see the $12.
Yeah. And
you're not really certain how you have to plug in different pieces to really flesh that out. But expectations and reality might not be aligned very well. Right now on Pinterest, I easily make $1,000 to $2,000 per month. On Instagram, $4,000 to $5,000. This is an individual who was previously on TikTok saying, hey, the eyeballs are great. Like, I mean, you get these huge view counts, which I also wonder how those things are audited. Right, because view counts lead to more creators, lead to more content. So I'm like, well, what's a view? Well, what's a view? Is a view 1 second? Is a view 10 seconds? Is a view 12? Oh, here we go. Here we go again.
Yeah.
Well, good luck to the TikTokers out there.
Yeah.